If you have recently moved to a new country or just visiting and can't access local apps on the App Store, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to change your country or region in the App Store. But before we start with the steps, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so first open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your Apple ID name at the very top. Your phone may prompt you for Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to continue. Go ahead and verify. Once you are in your account settings, tap on Country/Region. From the list, select the country you want to switch to. Carefully read the terms and conditions, then tap on Agree to continue. And that's it. You are now able to browse and download apps from the App Store in your selected country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want us to cover any other Apple tips.